All right, guys, we're in a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. It's a 2.0 liter. We're going to go over how to reset this oil maintenance light. So first thing you're going to want to do, this is a push start and the key's a little janky. So you're just going to be able to press it twice, but I have to press with the key because the key's broken. So you're going to press twice until the lights come on, system check, and it'll go through. It'll say whatever messages you have. And as you can see, we got service required. But let's just say you're starting on the regular screen. You're starting here. You're going to be using these buttons to control. You're going to press the menu button, and that'll scroll you along the top. Once you get to that wrench, you can see press OK to reset. You're going to hold it, hold OK to reset. And there you go, reset right here. And if for whatever reason you want to change that interval, you can go ahead and press the menu button again. And then from here, you're going to use this to scroll down. So just keep flicking it down till you get to maintenance or service interval, and you're going to press OK. And you can turn it on or off, or you can come in here and edit the actual service interval. Hope this helped. Have a good one.